Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Are you tired of being constantly bombarded with ads on your Android device? Well, you're in luck, because today I'm going to show you how to block those annoying ads once and for all. Let's start then. Open your Settings app on your device. By opening the application on a new page, look for the Connection and Sharing option in the drop-down menu and click on it. After that, on the next page, scroll down to the Private DNS option and click on it. A small window will open where you can see the offered options such as Off, Auto, and Private DNS Provider Hostname. We will select the option Private DNS Provider Hostname and click on it. Then we will insert dns.adgued.com and click Save. And that is that. With just a few simple steps, you can finally enjoy an ad-free experience on your Android device. Say goodbye to those annoying pop-ups and banners once and for all. If you enjoyed the video, please like us and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.